PG Department of English, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. Today we shall do another exercise based on reading comprehension. Students, now I read out the passage for you. Over the weekend, India attempted to make history by becoming just the fourth nation to successfully land a probe on the moon. It came agonizingly close, but after journeying millions of kilometers, the Vikram lander lost contact in the final few hundred meters and crash landed on the lunar surface. But it would be both unfair and plain wrong to label the mission a failure. After a postponed launch, India's Chandrayaan 2 spacecraft began its journey to the moon on July 22nd. On board, it carried the Vikram lander and Pragyan rover, equipped to search the lunar south pole for water and other valuable resources. Everything seemed to be going according to plan. Chandrayaan 2 completed several orbits around Earth and then the Moon, slowly making its way closer to the lunar surface and taking photographs the whole time. On September 2nd, the Vikram lander separated and began to make its descent. All communications were normal until the lander was within 2 kilometers of its goal. Then it went silent, a space engineer's worst nightmare. So far, the Indian Space Research Organization's ISRO engineers have not been able to re-establish communications with the lander. It's likely Vikram landed with enough force to damage its communications equipment as well as other instruments. But all hope was not lost, as Chandrayaan 2 remained in orbit above the moon and with its high resolution camera was able to spot the lander. If oriented favorably, Vikram could still manage to power itself up. ISRO has not admitted defeat and will keep trying to connect to Vikram for the next 2 weeks. However, the chances of success diminish with time. While the Chandrayaan 2 mission has not gone as expected, it cannot be called a failure. The Chandrayaan 2 orbiter will continue to monitor the moon for up to 7 years, and the high resolution images it takes will be vital to future international efforts to land on the moon. Now I move on to the next section, exercises. First question. The phrase agonizingly close in the passage means. We have 4 options. So close as to cause fear, so close as to cause pain, so close as to cause disappointment, and none of the above. The correct answer is option C. So close as to cause disappointment. So I repeat, the phrase agonizingly close means so close as to cause disappointment. Second question. What is a space engineer's worst nightmare? Choose the most suitable option. Options are to face failure in a mission. Next, to face the media after a failure. Third one, to lose connection with a launch vehicle. And last one, to be fired. The correct answer is option B, to face the media after a failure. So a space engineer's worst nightmare is to face the media after a failure. Third question, which word from the passage means reduce? Options are damage, re-establish, descent and diminish. The correct option is option C, descent. Fourth question, identify the statement which is true. First statement, Chandrayaan 2 mission was a complete failure. Second, Chandrayaan 2 mission turned out to be insignificant at the international level. Third, Chandrayaan 2 cannot be of much use to future endeavors. And the last, Chandrayaan 2 can gather vital information about the lunar surface. So the correct answer is option D. Chandrayaan 2 can gather vital information about the lunar surface. Fifth question, what was the Pragyan rover meant for? The Pragyan rover is meant for to search for water and other valuable resources in the lunar south pole. Next question, what reasons do scientists propose for the disruption of communication with the Vikram lander? Vikram lander might have damaged its communication equipment during its forceful landing on the lunar surface. Seventh question. What do scientists hope to do in the coming weeks? To re-establish connection with the Vikram lander. Next question. What can the Chandrayaan second orbiter do? Monitor the moon and capture its images for up to 7 years. Second last question. Does the author assign blame for the partial failure of Chandrayaan second? Explain. No, the author doesn't blame ISRO. He highlights the positive aspects of the mission. Last question. Does the author end on a positive note? Explain. Yes, he asserts that mission is a partial success since the Chandrayaan second orbiter can obtain crucial information about the moon's surface. This information will guide all lunar missions in future. I hope it is clear this far. Thank you. Today's assignment. Reading Comprehension Passage 3, page number 99 of the textbook English for Career. Thank you.